back to my channel, guys. I'm Simi and I'm going to be showing you how to make these yummy, super easy and super delicious salads, egg salads. And yeah, you can eat these if you're on a keto diet or just trying to be healthy or just trying to make a super quick and delicious meal. The first one is going to be more like an Italian style egg salad, and yeah, it's super easy and super delicious. And the second one is going to be more like with some mixed vegetables, or like more like a salad kind of a salad. But yeah, I hope you enjoy making these as much as I did, and let's get started with the Italian style one. So for this salad we are going to need 4 eggs. You can use more if you'd like, but I'm making it for 2 people, so yeah, I'm using 4 eggs, 2 whole eggs and 2 only egg whites. A bunch of spinach, roughly chopped. About a teaspoon of minced garlic. About a few spring onions. Some mayo. I'm using the one made with olive oil. Some basil leaves, dried basil leaves. Some chili flakes, optional totally, but I used a little bit, not too much. Some Himalayan pink salt. You can use any type of salt that you like. And here we're going to start off with the egg salad. So I have halved all the eggs just to show you how they look. You want them hard boiled. Then I went ahead and scooped out the yolks from 2 eggs. You can see that 2 eggs or 4 pieces of the halves don't have any yolks, and 4 pieces have the yolks in them. That's what I'm doing. You can use all yolks, or you can use less yolks, whatever you want, whatever floats your boat. So next, guys, what I'm doing over here is I've chopped the eggs, the egg halves on a chopping board. Of course, it's the easiest way to do it. And yeah, I've sort of roughly chopped them. You can chop them finer than this, or you can chop them just roughly. That doesn't really matter. But if you're chopping it for a sandwich, I would suggest you to chop them in smaller slices or smaller pieces. It'll be just easier to fill it in the sandwich. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in some onions to it. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and add in some chopped onions into it. And then we're going to go ahead and add in some minced garlic, like I think I used about half a teaspoon to approximately a teaspoon. Then I went ahead and added some chopped spinach. It's not too much, just like a small bunch of it. So next I'm going to be adding some mayo to it. You can add as little or as much as you like, but keep in mind that the mayo has salt in it and it does make it really tasty, and that's the main ingredient in this whole salad. So next we're going to be adding some red pepper flakes. It's totally optional, but it kind of gives it a nice kick, so just a pinch of them, not too much. The next I'm going to be adding some dried basil leaves into it. This gives it a really great taste, guys. So this I'm going to mix it all up and give it a taste test, and that's it, you guys. Alright guys, so next what we're going to be making today is the veggie egg salad, which has some vegetables in it and some other good condiments that I'm going to show you in just in a moment. And yeah, let's get started. So for this salad I'm going to be using some freshly chopped red onion, chopped and seeded tomato, some chopped cucumber, fresh lemon juice, some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, some black pepper. I'm going to be freshly grating it. Some pink Himalayan salt. You can use any type of salt that you like. Sea salt, normal salt, but I would definitely suggest you using pink Himalayan salt. It really gives it a nice taste. And the black pepper also is a good idea to take it freshly grinded. Some avocado mayo, or mayo made with avocado oil. 6 eggs. I'm going to be using more at this time. And some freshly chopped parsley leaves. So now I'm going to be starting off with the veggies in a bowl. I'm taking cucumbers, onions, and tomatoes. Remember the tomatoes are seeded. And next I'm going to be going ahead and chopping up the hard-boiled eggs. I'm taking 3 whole eggs and 3 egg whites only. You can take as much as little as you like. Remember, guys, try and chop them very finely if you're gonna be adding this to a sandwich or you can just roughly chop them if you're eating them as it is. So yeah, next I'm just gonna be adding them to the bowl with the veggies, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start adding the condiments to it, or the other stuff that goes along with it. So yeah, first off, I'm gonna be adding some shredded, freshly grated Parmesan cheese to it. Sorry, my throat is a little bit bad. And yeah, just make sure that if you're adding Parmesan cheese or a whole lot of Parmesan cheese, just make sure that you're not adding too much of mayo, because both of them have salt in them. So next I'm adding the condiments, and the condiments include salt, pepper, and mayonnaise, and also a little bit of freshly chopped parsley leaves. That really brings out the color and the taste and gives it a slight crunch to it as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix up all the condiments, add them to the salad, and I'm going to show you the final look in just a moment. Remember, you can test your salt at this point before adding it to the final serving bowl. So that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed them as much as I did, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!